Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in drone technology, leaks, and insider news. If you're into flying cameras, epic aerial shots, or just curious about where drone tech is heading, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a brand new drone that's stirring up a lot of excitement online, the DJI Neo 2. Now, before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on drones, cameras, and other creative gear. Point 1. DJI's game plan in 2025. Why the Neo 2 is so important. DJI has dominated the consumer drone market for years. From the Phantom to the Mavic series, to the newer Mini 4 Pro and the FPV Avata, DJI's tech has kept pushing boundaries. But not every product has been a home run, case in point. The original DJI Neo. The Neo was introduced as an ultra-compact, budget-friendly drone that could shoot 4K video. But in reality, it felt like a stripped-down toy. Yes, it was tiny, but users quickly noticed the limited video capabilities, a loud propeller sound, and pretty underwhelming flight performance. Point 2. DJI Neo 2 design. Foldable, quiet, and travel-ready. One of the biggest complaints about the original Neo was its fixed frame design. While it helped keep costs down, it made packing the drone inconvenient and increased wind drag. Not to mention it was loud. Surprisingly, the tiny Neo was louder than drones twice its size. According to multiple leak sources, the DJI Neo 2 will feature a foldable design similar to the Mini 4 Pro and the DJI Flip. A foldable structure not only improves portability but also improves flight performance and stability in windy conditions. Point 3. Sensor upgrade. From entry-level to almost pro, the DJI Neo 2 is rumored to jump to a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor. A game-changer in a drone this compact. We're talking 4K at 100 frames per second, which means buttery smooth slow-motion footage with incredible detail. Key camera upgrades include 48MP still photo capture, expanded 155 degrees field of view, enhanced HDR processing for rich contrast, 10-bit color depth for better grading in post-production. Point 4. Intelligent flight modes and smarter AI in 2025. It's not just about having a good camera, it's about what the drone can do with that camera. DJI has been investing heavily in AI-powered flight features, and we expect the Neo 2 to benefit from that. Based on leaks and patterns from recent DJI releases, expect Active Track 6.0 for precise subject tracking, point of interest 4.0 for cinematic circular shots, master shots, auto-editing modes, enhanced APAS, advanced pilot assistance system, for obstacle avoidance. Point 5. Mechanical gimbal and stabilization upgrades. If you've ever shot video with the original Neo, you'll know the single-axis gimbal and EIS were not ideal. It worked fine for hovering shots, but fast pans or angled movements created jitter and wobble. The DJI Neo 2 is expected to add a full 3-axis mechanical gimbal, finally putting it in line with its more expensive siblings. Combine that with advanced gyro stabilization and you've got footage that's smooth, cinematic, and ready for production. Point 6. Longer battery life and smarter power management. Battery life has always been a weak point for ultra-compact drones. The original Neo topped out at around 15 to 18 minutes, enough for a few quick shots but nothing serious. The DJI Neo 2 is rumored to offer up to 24 minutes of flight time, thanks to better battery chemistry and more efficient motors. Plus, with smart return-to-home logic and battery health monitoring, pilots can push flight times confidently without risking a crash. Point 7. Pricing predictions. Is it worth the upgrade? While DJI hasn't confirmed anything yet, analysts predict the Neo 2 will fall in the $399 to $499 range. Point 8. Release date and insider info. DJI is known for its predictable release patterns, and tipster Jasper Ellens has hinted at a Q4 2025 release, possibly in late September or early October. Final thoughts. Should you wait for the DJI Neo 2? If you're in the market for a drone in 2025, you might want to hold off just a little longer. The DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be a massive upgrade from its predecessor. With 4K 100 frames per second video, improved stabilization, foldable design, and potentially LiDAR-powered features, it's looking like DJI has finally nailed the affordable pro-level compact drone. Whether you're capturing family vacations, cityscapes, mountain adventures, or cinematic projects, the Neo 2 might just be the drone that gives you maximum creativity without the weight or cost. Stay connected. Don't miss out on the latest updates and in-depth analyses. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay informed about all things DJI Neo 2 and the evolving world of virtual reality.